I like to show you how to gift wrap a bottle. First, cut the paper to the appropriate size. Paper length is the height of the bottle, plus half the bottom and half the height of the bottle. Make sure the width completely covers the bottle. Use additional accent paper for this wrapping method. At the same height, the width is about 4 to 5 inches or 10 to 12 centimeters. Turn the main paper over and fold the right edge a little for a clean edge. With additional paper, also fold the edge a little. Then fold it in half. Open it and pinch the crease to make the pleat. Stick some regular tape from the back to secure the pleats. Stick some double-sided tape on the back of the right edge of the main paper. Then attach it on additional pleated paper. Roughly wrap the bottle in tissue to protect it before wrapping it in paper. Place the bottle on the wrapping paper like here. Put a few double-sided tapes and close tightly. Adjust the placement of the bottle. Pull the paper toward the center to pleat and close the bottom like this. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's the bottom part. Nobody sees it, so just make it roughly. Secure with regular tape. Fold the top part to back. Cut off the edge a little to make it clean. Clinch paper around the bottleneck. Fold both sides of the back inward. Clinch the entire neck again, then tie it with a ribbon. Make one loop and the tail. Squeeze the point and keep the point, then wrap around the neck. The shorter ribbon to the right crosses under the longer ribbon to the left, and pulls up to the upper right. Tie tightly. Make a loop with long end ribbon on the left and squeeze it. With the shorter end, go over the top of the loop, then tuck it back through and pull it out to the left. For tightening, pull out the upper side of the left loop and the lower side of the right loop. The back is like this. Trim both ends of the ribbon and adjust the bow nicely. There are 3 pleats including the folded edge of the main paper. Odd number is a lucky charm. This method is for double-sided paper. The height of the paper is the same as the previous one, and the width is the covering the bottle plus a little over 5 inches or 12 centimeters. With the additional part, make 3 pleats in the same steps as the previous one, like this. After making 3 pleats, secure them from back with regular tape. Fold the end of the pleated part inward like this. Put regular tape in the center to secure it, and then stick some double-sided tape on the edge of the pleated part. Then fold back and paste it. Place the bottle and close it tightly in the same steps as the previous one. For tying it with a fancy bow, please refer my bow making videos. Cheers!